Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with the workbook that contains the source data and the one that will receive the link. Select the exact cell or range you need and note its sheet name. Accuracy matters because Excel uses names and addresses to build the link. Once done, switch to the destination workbook or sheet and click the cell where you want the linked value. This first step sets the reference. Make sure both files are saved so Excel can resolve external links reliably. Now you create the actual formula. Type equals in the destination cell, then navigate to the source workbook and click the source cell or drag to select a range. Excel writes the reference automatically, including the workbook and sheet path if needed. Use F4 to toggle absolute versus relative addressing so copied links behave predictably. If linking multiple cells, enter the formula and then fill or copy across. This keeps the connection intact and ensures updates flow from the source to the target. Finish by saving both workbooks and testing the link. Change the source value and refresh the destination. Use data edit links to force an update, change the source, or break the connection if you need a static copy. If you see errors like #ref, check that the source file hasn't been moved or renamed, and confirm sheet and cell names match exactly. Restoring the correct path or recreating the link usually fixes the issue. One troubleshooting tip: reopen both files together to resolve broken external links quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.